always used to say, never order anything out that you know that you can make better at home. This time I ordered jambalaya, something that I usually don't make, but every time I see it on the menu, I've got to have it. And it didn't go well. It was mush and it had no flavor. So I already knew I was going to make this better at home. So let's go. So I already have my pan on medium high, a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to start browning our sausage. You just want a light brown just to get that color, get those juices flowing. All right, we're using the same pan. Now our chicken. Just a tiny hint of salt. And then just a little bit of pepper. And then let's add a little bit more olive oil. Oops. All right, the chicken's almost done. So now I'm just going to hit it with some smoked paprika. And give this a swirl. Now in the same pan, this is where it gets fun. 1 whole onion, 1 red pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. All right, and just get a swirl. Gonna add a little bit more olive oil. Okay, now it's time to add our rice. 1 cup of rice. And we're just gonna have it brown just a little bit, about maybe 3, I'd say about 3 minutes. Get all those juices mixed in with the rice. This is going to be so good. So now we're going to add our seasoning. Whole oregano. Thyme. And onion powder. And some red pepper. We want this to have heat, but we don't want it to have too much heat. All right. Now, we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth. And we're just going to have this simmer until the rice is halfway cooked. Then we're going to bring everything together. All right, next we're going to add a small can of tomatoes. Now we're going to add all our meat. Oh, you see that juice? And let's add our sausages. And lastly, our shrimp, which of course, I already cleaned, deveined, deshelled, all that good stuff. Now we're just gonna have it, add some hot pepper, more smoked paprika. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. Oh, it already looks fabulous. And more thyme. And I'm cooking on low, because we just want it to simmer and we want all the juices to incorporate. This looks, holy crap. All right, we're just gonna have this cook. And while this is cooking, I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen. I'll see you back in about 15 minutes. Okay, it is done.
Your washer is done.
My washer's done. Oh, I'll help if I got a fork. Now, to bring out the extra flavors. A squeeze of lemon. And some parsley. Now, if you like heat, I love the heat. I'm just gonna add a little splash. Jeez. Look how beautiful that looks. Now, let's give it a test. Wow. Now I added that extra heat, but that's how I like it. Now, I would definitely pay $25 to $30 for this dish. I think at the restaurant, my dish was $25. Wow. Wow. I'm taking the win on this one. This is delicious. The rice is perfectly cooked. My chicken, nice and tender. Shrimp, sweet and fresh. And not mush and not overcooked. Delicious. I'm taking this one. So, in this case, better at home definitely wins. So, give me a like, subscribe, and comment. I love to hear from you. For the love of Ma. Thanks, Ma. Delicious.